Welcome back, guys. Get ready to upgrade your home with 14 genius Amazon finds. We've got smart storage, organizing must-haves, and cleaning tools that'll change the way you live. As usual, links to all these products in the description below so you can grab your favorite. This herb saver is designed to keep your cilantro and other herbs fresh for longer. With an advanced hydration system, it maintains optimal moisture levels, preventing wilting and extending shelf life. The sleek, space-saving design fits perfectly in your fridge, while the clear lid allows easy visibility. Whether storing cilantro, parsley, mint, or other leafy herbs, this container helps lock in freshness and flavor. Made from durable, BPA-free materials, it's easy to clean and designed for long-term use. Say goodbye to wasted herbs and enjoy crisp, flavorful greens every time. This plastic bag holder is the perfect solution for organizing and reusing plastic bags efficiently. Designed with durability in mind, it features a sturdy yet lightweight construction that allows for easy storage and retrieval of bags. The compact design saves space, making it ideal for kitchens, laundry rooms, or pantries. With a wide opening for effortless bag insertion and a convenient dispensing slot, it ensures a clutter-free environment. Whether mounted on a wall or placed inside a cabinet, this holder helps keep your space neat while promoting sustainability. This ottoman storage bench is the perfect blend of style, comfort, and functionality. Designed to enhance any living space, this elegant ottoman offers a spacious hidden storage compartment, making it ideal for organizing blankets, pillows, magazines, or other essentials. The soft cushioned top provides a comfortable seating option, while its sturdy construction ensures durability for everyday use. Whether placed in the living room, bedroom, or entryway, this versatile ottoman adds a touch of sophistication while keeping your space clutter-free. This French door air fryer oven is the ultimate all-in-one kitchen appliance designed for versatility and convenience. With its spacious interior and dual French doors, it allows for easy access and effortless cooking. This powerful oven features multiple cooking functions, including air frying, baking, roasting, toasting, and dehydrating, giving you endless possibilities for meal preparation. Equipped with rapid 360 degrees air circulation, it ensures crispy, golden results with little to no oil. The sleek stainless steel design adds a modern touch to any kitchen, while the intuitive digital display makes operation simple. Whether you're cooking for a crowd or preparing a quick meal, this multifunctional appliance delivers restaurant-quality results every time. This tray table is the perfect multifunctional companion for your home. Designed with convenience in mind, this adjustable bamboo swivel tray provides a sturdy and stylish surface for working on your laptop, enjoying meals, or keeping essentials within reach. The 360-degree swivel function allows you to move the tray effortlessly, making it ideal for seniors, individuals with mobility challenges, or anyone who values comfort and accessibility. This indoor garden is the perfect solution for growing fresh herbs, vegetables, and flowers year-round, right from the comfort of your home. Designed with advanced hydroponic technology, this system eliminates the need for soil, allowing plants to grow faster and healthier with nutrient-rich water circulation. Featuring adjustable LED grow lights that mimic natural sunlight, it ensures optimal plant growth in any environment. The sleek, compact design makes it ideal for kitchens, offices, or small spaces. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, this indoor garden provides an effortless way to enjoy homegrown, pesticide-free produce. This cord organizer is the perfect solution for keeping your workspace neat and tangle-free. Designed with a flexible spring structure, it securely holds cables of various sizes, preventing them from slipping or getting tangled. The compact and durable design makes it ideal for desks, nightstands, and office setups. Simply clip your charging cables, USB cords, or headphone wires in place for easy access and a clutter-free environment.
This steam mop is a powerful and efficient cleaning solution designed to tackle dirt and grime with ease. Featuring the natural power of steam, it effortlessly sanitizes sealed hard floors without the need for harsh chemicals. The lightweight design and easy-to-fill water tank make it convenient to use, while the quick heat-up time ensures you can start cleaning in seconds. With its washable, reusable pads and swivel steering, this steam mop reaches every corner for a deep, streak-free clean. Perfect for homes with pets and kids, it's a must-have for a healthier, sparkling clean home.
This under-sink organizer is designed to maximize your storage space and keep your essentials neatly arranged. With its two-tier design, it provides ample room for cleaning supplies, toiletries, kitchen essentials, and more. Its space-saving design helps reduce clutter, creating a more organized and functional space.
This automatic vacuum dustpan is the perfect solution for a cleaner, more convenient home. Designed for effortless dirt and debris removal, this powerful 1000-watt vacuum instantly sucks up dust, pet hair, and crumbs with just a wave of a hand or broom. The infrared sensors detect messes, activating the vacuum automatically for a hands-free cleaning experience. This sleek and compact device fits seamlessly in kitchens, salons, and living spaces, eliminating the need for bending down with a traditional dustpan. Its high-efficiency dual filtration system ensures cleaner air by capturing fine dust particles, making it ideal for allergy sufferers. With a bagless canister and easy disposal, maintaining a spotless home has never been easier.
This wall outlet extender is the perfect solution to maximize your power options while keeping your space organized. Designed with 6 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, it allows you to charge multiple devices at once, making it ideal for home, office, or dorm rooms. The removable shelf adds extra storage space, perfect for holding smartphones, smart speakers, or other small gadgets. With an easy plug-and-play design, this outlet extender fits securely into any standard wall outlet without complicated installation.
This automatic pot stirrer is the ultimate hands-free cooking companion, designed to stir your sauces, soups, and stews effortlessly. Featuring a powerful yet quiet motor, this rechargeable stirrer ensures even heat distribution and prevents food from sticking or burning. Its adjustable arms and height make it compatible with a wide range of pots, while the long-lasting battery provides hours of continuous stirring. Perfect for busy home cooks and multitaskers, this smart kitchen tool saves time and effort, letting you focus on other tasks while it does the stirring for you.
This shirt folder board is the ultimate solution for perfectly folded clothes in seconds. Designed for efficiency and ease, this durable and lightweight board helps you achieve a uniform, professional fold every time. Whether it's shirts, t-shirts, sweaters, or pants, this tool makes organizing your wardrobe effortless. Ideal for home use, retail stores, and travel, it saves time and maximizes closet space. Say goodbye to messy piles and hello to neatly folded perfection with this shirt folder board. This purse organizer is the perfect solution to keep your handbag neat and clutter-free. Designed with multiple compartments, it allows you to effortlessly store and access essentials like your phone, wallet, keys, cosmetics, and more. Its structured design maintains the shape of your purse while providing easy organization. Whether you're switching handbags or just looking for a smarter way to organize, this purse organizer is a must-have for every fashion-forward individual. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.